welcome back to another episode of Emmventures. Today we have a semi-medium sized forest. It's on a little bit of the big side, it's on a little bit of the small side, but it's kind of in between. So let's go and explore and see what we can see. It's beautifully green in here. For my followers that have been with me since the beginning, this place might look a little familiar. We have been in here before, but it was much earlier in the year and there was much less greenery, so now it's much more beautiful and so full of life. So many trails every which way. So I want to again apologize to you guys about horrible camera angles. As we are in a forest, it is a very hot and humid day today, so there is most definitely a lot of mosquitoes. So if all of a sudden the camera angle gets bad, I'm just trying to protect myself from the mosquitoes. So I do believe this trail is used for bikes. It looks like there's a lot of bike jumps and stuff that have been created. Believe me, if I had a bike, or a bike made for things like this, I would definitely be here and enjoying it. Probably take you guys on some biking adventures, but who knows? Maybe those days will come soon. Always remember, keep your eyes peeled. If you see anything that I happen to miss, definitely shout out below. Let me know. We are definitely just here to explore and enjoy the nature. We had a very bad rainstorm last night. For those of you who caught my latest peaceful adventure, we will definitely probably be able to see some damage like this here. This just explains how bad it actually was, because that's a big tree. see if we can get under this tree. We totally can because I am not that tall. My fear is spiders. So, holy. That would have definitely been loud when it fell down. I'm just happy that it fell in the forest and not near anybody's houses. He sees me and he knows I'm watching him. Hi, little squirrel buddy. I'll let him be. We'll continue on and let him continue on. What a neat little squirrely. So that's the way we came. So for those of you who remember, last time we were here, this was ice. And it was muddy, and it was definitely a journey to get across. But it looks like some people have come through, cleared a nice path. So that there we actually can't get past. There is a fence. So that's the end of this trail. Look at how green it is. I definitely wish that I had dressed a little better to be in here. But like I was saying, it's 29 degrees Celsius outside. For my American followers and stuff, I don't know the conversion rate to that at the moment off the top of my head, but I'll definitely drop it in the video when I upload this. Trail looks like it continues that way, but it hasn't been traveled. So, and again, I don't know if there's poison ivy or poison oak, and I really don't feel like getting super itchy. I can deal with a few mosquito bites because I'm in Canada, so mosquito bites are very common. That's why we have afterbite. So yeah, let's climb back up this little hill and just enjoy it. Like, look at that, guys. Like, sorry, mosquito. But yeah, so let's continue on. I don't know how much bigger this little forest is, as due to all the rain and stuff, there is some larger puddles like so. I don't really feel like getting super wet, but definitely can just enjoy some. I apologize for that sawing sound in the background. It's the summer, so what are you going to do, right? But it's definitely nice to be outside just to get the fresh air and enjoy nature. So I think we're actually going to end our adventure here on top of this little dirt hill. But it was nice. It's a nice breeze. It feels less humid. Oh, it's really hot out here today, guys. But yeah, if you liked coming on this adventure with me and you want me to come back and do just a little more exploring here, I definitely will. There's going to be more exploration adventures to come, Emmventures to come, and yeah, so you know what you gotta do, I know what I gotta do, so make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and tell me what your favorite feline is. You know, like, do you like the house cats, or do you like the big lions, or just not like cats in general? But that's okay too, because cats aren't for everybody. So thanks for coming with me today. Stay happy, stay blessed, and remember to always enjoy the little things.